Hi Anna, this one's for you about adding layers in Photoshop. So if you go File, New, let's say 960, so it's web based. Put the background as transparent and OK. So if you wanted a different colour background, we just choose the colour that we'd like it to be, and then we can do Paint Bucket and just click in, and that will make that colour. To add a new layer over the top, this is the button down here, and on here is where you could add your text. So this is the button here. Choose the font that you'd like, and you can't see that because it's actually doing it in green. So if we change that colour, that will then show up. It's underlined, so take that underline off. Adjusting the size. Then again, another layer. Perhaps you want to do some sort of a brush. Again, choosing your colour. And you can do your size and opacity, so at 100%. And do whatever you like to do. So that's added another layer on top there. If you wanted to bring a photo in, so let's open one up. Let's do this one. So I just open that in a new screen and then duplicate that layer. So duplicate, and then I want to bring it to my untitled layer. Bring that across here, and that's added that on top there. So another thing that you can do, I just Control T on the keyboard to select that layer and bring that across. Now that's going on top of my paintbrush marks because it's up here. If you want it underneath, then you simply click and hold that one and bring it down like that, or on the top again. Perhaps you want to do a shadow. We just right click and click on blending options. You can do a drop shadow for the photo. You'll see that in the background on and off. Perhaps you'd like a border around it, that's stroke. So then if you click on the actual word, that brings up all of the different options. So on stroke, click on the word, and then you can change the colour of that border around it. You can make it bigger. Generally I just leave it on the outside. You can make it see-through more so if you wanted, or if you really wanted to get snazzy, you could have a gradient, changing the direction, different pattern types. You can use the colours that we've got, that's actually automatically selecting from the two colours that we've got over here. Yeah, so you just play around with all of these different options that you've got here at the side and click on OK. If you weren't happy with them, you could just click on the eye to take those off or add them on. Yeah, so what else? Let's say you wanted to do a bit of a shadow on your text. I'd duplicate that layer, so you go layer, duplicate, or the other way of doing that is to click on the layer, drag it down to the new layer button down here, and let go. So that's made two layers. Okay, now with this one, what I actually do is go transform, and then we want to flip